Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Corrosion starts on day 1, invisible, silent. By year 10, it's cost you $3 in accelerated maintenance and premature equipment replacement. Timeline, years 1 to 3, aluminum corrosion at mounting, undetectable. Years 3 to 5 spreads further, still invisible. Years 5 to 7, structural failure begins. First failures appear. Years 7 to 10 accelerates exponentially. Most operators wait until failure to replace. Smart ones predict corrosion and replace strategically, saving $500K. Today I'm showing corrosion markers that predict failure 2 to 3 years in advance. Corrosion is electrochemical degradation. In solar installations, it primarily affects aluminum. The corrosion rate depends on climate, material selection, maintenance, and galvanic compatibility. Most solar installations use cost-optimized materials, not the most corrosion-resistant, just good enough. By year 5 to 7, corrosion becomes visible. By year 10, structural compromise is significant. But most operators don't monitor this. They wait for first failure, then replace reactively. Smart operators predict it, replace strategically. The difference? $500K once on a $100 million farm. You're thinking, our site is in the land. Minimal corrosion risk. Corrosion happens everywhere. Coastal sites are faster, but even inland sites corrode. How fast? Depends on materials used. Factory standard materials corrode predictably. Cheap materials corrode faster. You probably don't know which you have unless you pull a sample. Most solar installers don't specify corrosion-resistant materials, so they use standard materials. These corrode per predictable timelines. Your site probably has accelerated corrosion risk you don't know about. Here's how to predict and prevent. Step 1. Sample your mounting hardware. Send to lab for corrosion analysis. Determine material composition and estimated corrosion rate at your climate. Step 2. Establish baseline. Measure thickness of aluminum components now. Use ultrasonic thickness tester. Record all measurements. Step 3. Schedule yearly thickness checks. If aluminum thickness is decreasing year, in 10 years you've lost 5 mm. At what thickness does structural failure occur? For most aluminum frames, 3 to 5 mm thickness is minimum safe. Step 4. Model corrosion timeline. If you're losing 0.5 mm year and safe thickness is 4 mm, you have 8 years before structural compromise. Plan replacement for year 7 to 8, not year 10 to 11 when it fails. Step 5. Implement preventive maintenance. Regular cleaning removes corrosive salt buildup. Moisture control covers exposed bolts. Regular inspection catches localized corrosion early. We've covered how corrosion accelerates exponentially after year 5. How monitoring predicts failure 2 to 3 years in advance, enabling planned replacement instead of emergency repair. Your installation is corroding right now, probably faster than you think if you have cost-optimized materials. By year 10, corrosion will have cost you $1 to $3 in unplanned maintenance and premature replacement. But you can prevent this. Schedule a free corrosion risk and longevity assessment. We'll sample your materials, measure current corrosion state, model future degradation, and show your replacement timeline. Most 100 millibard farms discover significant corrosion risk within 5 years. Early detection enables planned, cost-effective replacement. Book your assessment. First 20 operators get a detailed corrosion timeline and prevention plan. Corrosion starts on day 1, invisible. By year 10, it costs $3 in unplanned maintenance. Smart operators predict it 2 to 3 years in advance and replace strategically. Here's how to monitor and prevent catastrophic corrosion costs. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot. Smart device, smarter decisions.